Hey folks, so what I have here is a Galaga PCB, and I've had a small problem with it. That's the one that's actually in my arcade cabinet, and it just stopped playing sound. Now the interesting part is the sounds are divided into two parts. There's actually the intro sound, which is the explosion sound. That's the same problem I was having, by the way, when I got the cabinet a good few videos back. But if you listen to there you go, we have the intro explosion sound, and that's the sound that we hear when your ship gets destroyed. But all the credit stuff, all the play sounds are gone. Interesting bit is this chip here. I actually read online on Mike's Arcade mentioning this chip here, and this chip here could actually go bad. But so what I did, just because it was socketed and it was here, I actually took a chip from this board, which is one of the spare powered boards that I have. I have this other one here that I'm going to try and fix. Right now it's booting and resetting, so at least I got stuff, and all the chips are on it. So I actually got the parts from here as well. I got those two broken ones to try and make a whole one. So I'll use this one for spare parts and bits like that. So what I'm going to do is, I'm pretty happy that it'll work, but I'm replacing this chip here. As far as I know, these are custom chips. Is that in? Yeah, I have this one on hand as well, the 07XX, and these are custom chips as well. And these are numbered, and you can. It's the top numbers that you can swap. The bottom numbers, I'm not sure actually what they are, but the top number you can swap between boards. Okay. Now, I'm really confident this will work, but I could eat my words, I suppose. Let's try this. Okay, so far it's going up. There you go. Happy days. The display. Yeah, it all plays fine. Sounds are okay. There you go. Am I missing something? Oh, what happened here? Oh, Christ. I'm missing some colors here. Yeah, this is not the right colors. Well, that's very interesting, because I just put the board back in the cab and now the colors are fine. So I wonder, maybe somebody knows more about this than me, but that's very likely actually. But maybe somebody can tell me if that's normal. I actually, yeah, it's probably something to do with the monitor and the way the signal is interpreted by the monitor. Then I assume. I don't know enough about this cab actually. It was all working when I got it, aside from that sound problem. So, but it should be all. There you go. Working fine now. Wow, this is very loud. Hold on. Where's the pot for it? There it is. How is that? Perfect. Cool. That's really interesting. So the colors are probably changed by the monitor. I need to read up on that. There's not enough light here for me to film, but the colors are probably handled by the monitor most likely. So I'm gonna read up on that just in case I need to change or fix the monitor. But there you go. That was a quick and easy fix on the Galaga sound.